ourselves a task to build a small greenhouse. We got inspired by this YouTube channel right here, called Souls. Shit, that was pretty spot on. Yeah, we got inspired by this YouTube channel and they've built it and it looks pretty easy to build. Obviously we'll need extra materials, but we'll start it today and see how it goes. Because we already started growing our little wee tomatoes and all the little wee vegetables, and we want to put them outside in a greenhouse so they can start growing in a nice wee temperature, you know? Anything to add?
No.
What's wrong? Alright, so we have a lot of wood scattered around the house. Holy shit, I think this is perfect for the top construction that opens up. These ones seem to be very long and also similar size, and they're very light as well. We have more here, but I don't know. These are more like planks. Vocho, what are you doing? I stood on Vocho's shit! Our roof is absolutely on the verge of collapsing, so we have to fix this at some point. But back to the greenhouse. I think these will be perfect for like the main sides of the construction. They're a little bit bent, but that's what makes them perfect because they're not good for anything else. So level it, come on.
I'm getting that. I need breakfast. Nothing is even happening. Is anything leveling at home? Oh my god.
My mum will be watching this video telling me I need to put my gloves on, you know?
Yeah, Papa as well.
Yeah, everybody. It's level. This is what it's level.
Minutes into the work and it starts raining a little bit.
Started to rain, so we're gonna pack it up. So we had to stop for a few days because it rained, there was snow, there was a thunderstorm, but let's get back to it. So right now we're adding in another wooden beam. Just need to make sure that it's level, and also trying to make sure this is level, and this is not in level whatsoever. It's just try and make it level. I can live with that. Yes! So another thing I need to make sure is that the distance between these two beams is 100 centimeters. So we are 6 centimeters off. Not good, man. And we have... what's going on with this crookedness? Final chip. So basically I'm using this kind of scrappy wood and I'm using it for these little spiky things that I put at the side of these beams to stabilize them.
Opa.
Aye! So, let's make a few of those. So we have a little problem here. The whole overall structure is kind of like a racing track and it's like turning. The reason for that is I did not notice like one of the wood beam things was actually curving way too much, so I was kind of following that and somehow we just ended up curving the whole thing. So we need this to be straight because there will be a mechanism that will be opening up, and I think I'll need to build another wooden structure on top of that that'll be basically straight. So in the time lapse you'll see me going back and forth redoing everything like 3 times because for some reason I still think it's not straight. The next step, using this mechanism right here, I want to attach it to one side and see if it opens up successfully. This is the moment of truth, whether the mechanism will work or not. Let's see. Alright. something works here. Our neighbour right now is digging for water. They're moving in, they're thinking of building a house there. And right now they're using this crazy machine that digs deep into the soil, into the earth, to find some water. Oh, it's stopping now. And it's very interesting. So
As you can see, it's a little bit flimsy. So I've decided to make myself helpful, and I'm gonna treat the wood with this thing. Protection against fungi, like mold things, you know, the things that eat the wood, rotting. So it's very helpful. I'm gonna cover it all.
with the additional support, it definitely feels a little bit more stable, which now means we're ready for the next step. Camera, your ass will be like this. And you'll be like, no, you can't use that.
Why do you have to put first?
Because this is the side that needs to be secured first. How is it looking?
Crooked. Too much of the thing.
What's the solution?
I'll leave that up to you.
I don't even know how to do it. This is my first time doing this stuff. So, but I'm assuming we're going to be using this bad boy right here. Jesus, that flies. That could have killed somebody there. I left excess cover on the edges so I can like fold it maybe twice or how many times I need and make this stronger, basically. Although this greenhouse might look finished, there's a few adjustments we need to make in order to make it functional. So, let's get it done. Keep in mind that these are just temporary solutions. I'm just trying to make things work with the material that I have scattered around the house. And yeah, there will be definitely improvements and adjustments, but I need to put this greenhouse through its paces. I need to see it when it's in the rain, I need to see it with high wind, you know, and then I'll just slowly keep on improving and adjusting.
So now that we have this greenhouse, we're going to test its properties by planting this one tomato. Poor thing, moment of truth. If it's not dead within 5 days, then I'm gonna plant more. We'll see, we'll keep you posted. We'll keep you posted. Thoughts and prayers for this little guy here. It's a cherry tomato. So here is our little tomato that it's really not doing so well. It looked amazing for 2-3 days and then it started getting those white spots on its leaves, which apparently means it's getting sun scald from too much sun exposure. Just when I thought it's gonna do better, then I noticed that a snail came and ate some of its leaves. So that's very sad. I still hope he makes it. but we're gonna proceed and plant some more because it's time. So now it has been a month since we planted those tomatoes, and they're doing alright. I'm very happy with the greenhouse. The only thing is that maybe in the future we're gonna use this one for smaller things that don't grow that high, and we're gonna make a bigger one for tomatoes. But for now we're just gonna keep it open when they grow higher, and yeah, very happy.
So apart from working on the greenhouse, we also worked on a few other projects, one of which is this compost bin. I've built this with a good friend of mine, Slobo, who came all the way from Germany to just sand boards for me. So thank you very much, Slobo. And the other projects we also done.
This is this raised bed for strawberries that I'm using for strawberries, and it's amazing. And some strawberries are already growing.
Thank you very much for watching our video. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.
Shut up, this is so cringy. Nobody's gonna hit nothing.
Yeah, nothing's working out. Yesterday I nearly cut off my finger as well. It's just, am I even made for this village life? I have no idea.
Oh no, she's having second thoughts.
No, I'm alright. I'll adapt.